Hey, young 2013 Ford F-550 with the power stroke 6.7, not starting, cranking, showing low fuel pressure of 1500 psi when it should be at 4500 psi when cranking. For that, it shows a code 2291, and here's what we have here. We have a pressure regulator that shows a bunch of shavings. These are the shavings that came from a bad pump. The pump failed, and all that metal went into the system. Now we tried everything. We changed a lot of parts, but we didn't change no injectors just yet. We're about to order the injectors, change them, because we think that that's what the problem is. Shavings went inside the system and inside the injectors, and now they're causing the problem. Thank you.